Hi guys, let me show you how to make spin animation in Premiere Pro less than 1 minute. First, add your transparent background object to your timeline. Then set the duration of your object to about 4 seconds or anything that you want. Make sure the time indicator is at the start of the layer, select the layer and go to Effect Controls panel. Then click on the stopwatch icon next to rotation to create starting keyframe and move the time indicator about 3 seconds forward, 1 second before the end of the layer. Then change the rotation value to 10x. Now select both keyframes. Right-click on any of them and select Ease Out. Then expand the rotation drop down and move these two blue handles closer to each other so that they form a peak. And now move this blue handle a little bit up to make an overshoot at the end of animation. And that's how to make spin animation in Premiere Pro, so please like this video and subscribe to my channel for more tutorials. Wishing you all the best and see you in the next video.